Our tax planning report assesses the client's unique circumstances against 200 tax strategies and selects the optimum 1 to 5 strategies that could be implemented to achieve maximum tax savings and benefits. This report can help clients achieve significant tax savings, security, wealth, and financial freedom, including valuable tax savings, compliance with Australian Taxation Office obligations to avoid penalties and fines, review and audit of their business structures, and additional recommendations which include ways to generate income, problem-solve complex situations, protect what they have worked for, and gain more freedom, time, and lifestyle choices. The first step is to add the client and group members. Select My Clients from the left side menu. You can then add a new client, which is the manual system, or sync Xero clients, which imports the clients from Xero Practice Manager. If Add a New Client has been selected, complete the fields on the Members screen. Type, which is a compulsory field, and Client Name, which is a compulsory field. Now click Save New Member. To gain a complete picture of the client's overall tax affairs, we want to add all the individuals and entities that make up the client's overall structure as group members. Typically, this includes the client, their spouse, children, companies, trusts, and self-managed super funds. To add additional members, select the Add Member button and enter information in the fields as you did in the previous step. You can now click Save New Member. Repeat the process for each member. The next step is to enter the income, deductions, tax paid, assets, and liabilities for each member. Select the member's name. This will take you to the financial screen. In the financial year field, choose the year. Complete the fields with as much information as possible. The data can be imported from Xero, which is the quickest and easiest method. Click on the Import Your Financial from Xero button, or manually entered. For example, for income type, select Business from the drop-down list. Enter the gross income in the value field, then do the same for deductions, assets, and liabilities. Then you can click Save. Completing the Income, Deductions, Assets, and Liabilities tabs is necessary as the information will flow through to the report as follows. The income, deductions, and tax paid flows onto the summary page. The tax paid flows onto the tax summary page. The income and deductions flows onto the original taxable income page. The assets and liabilities flows onto the net worth page. You can now click the orange Next button to return to the client screen, and the entered data will populate the fields. Repeat the process for each member. The third main step is to generate the report. Select the pink New Report button. In the financial year field, choose the year. At Scenario 1, select the optimum 1 to 5 strategies that could be implemented to achieve maximum savings and benefits. Use the filters on the right to make selecting the strategies easier. Alternatively, analyze up to 5 different scenarios. Each scenario selects different strategies. Select the Continue Report button. For each strategy, enter the deductions, incomes that apply to each member. When selecting and revising strategies, you can see the real-time tax savings below in the charts. The implementation advice and strategy explanation for each strategy can be customized and additional information added. Select the Preview Report button. Review the report, and if the report can be improved, select the orange Previous Step button and go back to make changes. You can also customize colors using the Customize Report Colors button. Once the report is accurate, select the pink Saved Report button to save the report. You can then edit reports or view PDF, which then allows the report to be printed or saved and emailed to your clients. How can this report be used? The tax planning report should be prepared when providing tax planning for clients with multi-group members. Typically, this includes their spouse, children, companies, trusts, self-managed super funds, etc. The report needs to be presented and discussed with your client in a meeting, either face-to-face or online. Invoice the client for your fee, typically $1,000 to $5,000 per report, plus implementation fees.